We're on square number 5 of the Ultimate Granny Square source book. Today's square is called Lazy Daisy Square, and it's another flower, so that's very exciting for me. Hopefully it'll end up looking like this, and I've got my colors right here. Wait, how do I do a double crochet bobble? Yarn over, insert hook, and stitch to space. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, drop through 2 loops. What? I think I need to watch a YouTube video for this. Okay, let's see. I rewatched that video a couple times and now I think I figured it out. This is going so well. There you go. Okay. Okay, I think that looks right. I can snip this off. All right. There you go. Okay, I think that's done. And it's so pretty. Look at the center. I really like it. And now because I worked this in while I was doing this round, I can just snip the excess off because it's already weaved in. There you go. I really enjoy making granny squares. They're so fun, except when you don't know what you're doing.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me.
Okay, so I think here is a better example of what I've been talking about. Notice how I have this tail and this tail, and I'm just going to carry them along with me while I work, and that way it's just going to get worked into the project while I'm working, which makes sense to me. I don't think it's going to unravel. I don't have any projects that have unraveled yet. I felt pretty smart when I did that the first time.
Send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending flowers to me. Send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again.
This is so pretty. I'm really enjoying this.
You went away, you went away, you went away. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away. Sending, you went away, you went away, you went away. Ever since the day that you went away.
Did I do it right the first time? I think I did. This looks right, right? We're gonna say that it's right because I'm very happy and I don't want to be wrong. I mean, I wouldn't even know what to look for if I was wrong. We're just gonna say this is working, this is fine. You can tell that right here there's a stitch that's supposed to have something in it, but if I do that, then I have one stitch too many up here. So I'm just gonna ignore that. We're just gonna keep going.
You've been sending flowers, flowers to me. Flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me. Flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms.
I'm gonna count this real quick, but I think I'm done. I can't believe it, but I'm done already. Yeah, I think I'm done. Yeah. I'm finding this hard to believe. That was so easy. I mean, I didn't know how to do like the bobble ones because I forgot, but that's fine. I relearned. This is all part of the process of this challenge to learn new things in crochet. Let's see if I can insert my fingers in here and show you. Ta-da! I mean, I'm very happy about this. That was really easy. I strongly recommend making this square. That was really fun. And it is still holy, which I know you're gonna maybe tell me, like, you say you didn't like the holy ones, but this one is holy, but it's also full, if that makes any sense. Oh yeah, I really like this. That's pretty. It's like I have nothing left to say. That was fun. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!